Look, your kitchen set. Oh, oh, look at that. How cool is that? Wow. Yay. Jenna loves her kitchen set. It has a microwave and a phone. Cool. Yeah. Are you gonna play? What are you gonna make me? Are you gonna make me something? Huh? You gonna make Mama something to eat? I'm really hungry. Wow, look at that. Here, why don't you cook me an egg? Here, put the egg in there. Yeah, good girl. Egg. Oh, that's an egg. Yeah. Good girl. You gonna cook? Put the pan on there, honey. Right there. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. You love your kitchen? You're cooking for Mama and Dada? Good girl. Oh, what happened? Oh, it's sizzling. Well, it made a sizzle noise, too. I think, yeah, hear it? Our zoo.